Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to crop a video on the TikTok. So if you want to crop any video on the TikTok, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application. Click on this plus icon from the menu bar. Once you will do it, now upload any video. Once you will upload or shoot a video, after that you have to click on the adjust clip, and from here you can select the clip from where you can crop or select the part. Once you will do it, simply save it. So once you will do it, the video will be cropped. You can apply different effects and click on the next and upload it. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank